How to import study material into AI Flashcard app. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. From the Create menu, select Upload a file. Now simply choose your study material. You can upload PDFs, Word document, or even your own handwritten notes. The app supports multiple file formats, so whatever you have should work just fine. Once your file is uploaded, the AI will automatically scan through your study material and generate notes or flashcards for you. You can then review the flashcards, make quick edits if needed, and organize them into sets for each subject or topic. Now you know how to import study material into the AI Flashcard app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.